Hey YouTube, it's me, Agony again. I'm sure you guys have already noticed by now, and if you haven't, you're like hella dumb. But I'm from the US of A. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly Encino, California, to be exact. Yep, I'm a Val from the San Fernando Valley. I'm a Val and proud of it, bitch. Right now, I'm living with Mog in England, of course. I came over here for university, and Mog pays my visa every year, so I haven't been back to Cali for 3 years. I Skype my mom every Sunday, and I can totally buy all of the awesome US candy from Amazon. To be honest, I kind of find it hard to miss America, cause everything cool that America does, England has totally already stolen it. So in July, can you believe this? Nobody in England is setting off any fireworks. I mean, sure, they still have barbecues and stuff, but when it comes to lighting fireworks, they do it in November. I can't even. You guys, November is 8 months after July. Why does it take them so long? I mean, for sure, I know that there's these things called time zones or whatever, but I thought they were only a few days apart, not 8 months. Unlike when they do set off fireworks in November, they don't have firecrackers or snakes or any of the cool stuff that we have in the US. They all stand together on a field and they eat jacket potatoes. And cause it's November, it's fucking freezing cold outside. They couldn't set off fireworks in the summer, I'm sure. Remember the 5th of November? Remember that it's fucking cold outside? And I don't want to stand in a bunch of mud and ruin my shoes while I watch the lamest fireworks in the history of forever. And what the fuck? No! I don't want beans on my jacket potato. Why do English people put beans on everything? Jeez. You eat beans when you're camping. You don't eat them for every goddamn meal. Okay, guys, it's time for a pop quiz. I've got a bowl, and into it, I'm gonna put some flour, and some eggs, and some milk. And I'm gonna mix it all up and shit. So, what am I making? If you're American, like me, you'll be all oh my god, you're making pancakes, Charm. Well, not if you're in England. Apparently, you'll be making Yorkshire puddings. You guys, I literally cannot even. There's just too much going on here. Puddings are supposed to be sweet. You eat them for dessert. Also, you can get Yorkshire puddings anywhere in England, not just in this Yorkshire place, wherever the fuck it is. And cause they're not sweet, English people pour loads of gravy all over them and eat them with a side of roast beef. I'm not even fucking with you right now. They literally put pancake batter in a muffin trays, bake them in the oven, and eat them with meat and vegetables and potatoes. Oh, but not jacket potatoes, because apparently that would be weird. That would be weird. But baking pancake batter isn't. Oh, and by the way, if you do want pancakes in England, they're not light and fluffy and served with butter and maple syrup here. They're paper thin, and they're covered in Nutella and lemon juice for some reason. And they're not even fucking pancakes to begin with. I can't even. I'm done. I'm so done with England right now.